Hi, my name's Heather, and I've decided to go live and ask for your help because sometimes I think videos speak a little bit better than emails or text messages. So anyway, one of our social studies teachers at our school is trying to organize a Veterans Day celebration, and we have a fighter pilot who is going to help, and he's going to come speak to our students, but we're looking for some other people who also might like to come and speak to our students about Veterans Day. Also, some of the other things we were hoping to do is to try and get some donations for the Wounded Warriors. We were also hoping that maybe there could be someone who could come and show us how to fold the flag for an honorary Veterans Memorial. So anything like that, if you have ideas, if you would like to contact me or post message me, or if you know someone who might be interested in helping our school, I would love that. So please feel free to share my message. Please feel free to contact me. And I'm just trying to help another teacher in the building find some resources and some people who might love to speak to about 800 middle schoolers. So I know I would love it. Anything that can teach our students about our country, our brave heroes and veterans, to show them that we love our country and that we respect those who serve our country and those who sacrifice everything. It would be neat to know about the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. It would be neat to know about how soldiers who have given everything, who have sacrificed everything, how they are honored and transported. Anything that can teach our students about our country and our nation, please contact me and let me know if you have any contacts in that regard. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.